係啊，阿魚啊。
Whoa!
Oh, they spit.
They're
Check it out.
shooting water at the ball so that the food falls in.
Oh, these are smart fish.
Down in the water.
Let's see how they do it.
Wow!
Smart fish.
得意。
So that's how they get the insects.
They're pretty good. You can look at the ceiling. They got it all up there.
幾邊水走咗？
Yeah, look at the red ball here. Pretty good, aren't they?
Yeah, they're very accurate. You've been training them well.
They're doing so well. They're not circus fish, believe it or not. But speaking of training, the cool thing about this, they're not born knowing they do it. They have to actually learn it. They have to watch another one do it.
Wow,
Like,
really?
"Whoa, that's cool. Let me try that."
Peer pressure, right?
So they are smart little fish.
Yeah.
Yes,
These
very,
are our Archerfish guys. Did you see them?
very smart.
No? Didn't see it? I'm getting lazy.